Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday the 28th of November. The euro edged lower on Friday in thin holiday trade after a weak Italian bond auction. Italian government bond yields soared to euro-era highs, climbing above 8%. Investors fear about the country's ability to raise funds from the market at affordable rates and the consequences of a potential shutdown in the Italian bond market. The European Central Bank intervened in the bond market on Friday, buying Italian and Spanish debt, but it appears that the central bank's action is no longer sufficient to stop a wave of selling. Rating agency Standard & Poor's downgraded Belgium by one notch to AA, citing a slowing economy and political instability. On Monday, the euro rebounded after an Italian newspaper said the International Monetary Fund was preparing an aid package for Italy in case the situation worsens, but the IMF denied such discussions. Against the dollar, the single currency fell as low as 132.12, but later it rebounded to trade at 133.42. The US dollar edged higher against the basket of currencies on Friday, supported by a heightened risk aversion in the market. Versus the Japanese yen, the dollar rallied to 77.79 from 77.16. Today, the Bank of Japan Governor Shirakawa warned that the Japanese economy will remain slow as Europe's debt crisis escalates, and signalled that the central bank will remain steady for the further monetary stimulus if needed. Focus now turns to the US new home sales expected at 1500 GMT. The British pound plummeted to 154.22 from 155.18 against the greenback on Friday after a speech by the Bank of England's Martin Wheal. He emphasised the risk of the UK falling back into recession and said that the central bank is ready to inject more money into the ailing economy. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices rally to $98.84 today a barrel from $94.99, a rise of 4.1%. Gold rose to $1,708.41 an ounce from $1,672.03, and silver jumped to $31.86 an ounce from $30.93. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 132.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 132.60. The dollar-yen pivot points at 77.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 77.30. The Aussie dollar pivot pointed at 0.9715 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9715. The sterling dollar pivot points at 155.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 155.30, and the dollar CAD pivot points at 104.85 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104.85. And on to commodities, the oil pivot points at 97 with a preference to enter into long positions at 97. The gold pivot points at 1690 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1690. And the silver pivot points at 30.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 30.90. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website, easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the US new home sales in October forecast to rise to 0.315 million. Now on to equities. In Europe, they were positive with the FTSE up 0.72%, the DAX was up 1.19%, and the CAC was up 1.23%. In the US, they were negative with the S&P 500 down 0.27% and the Dow was down 0.23%. At the time of writing in Asia, the Nikkei was up 1.56% and the Hang Seng was up 0.06%. In your daily outlook, I'm Emma Andrea from Easy Forex England. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.